Today we're at the Regency at Caramella Ranch Adult Active Community here in South Reno. We're in a new listing, and this is a great place to live with bocce ball courts, indoor-outdoor swimming pools. We've got 7 pickleball courts with 1 lit, and we're close to shopping and restaurants. It's a great place to be.
What goes up must always come back down. But I'll be safe in your arms, like the light in the day never part. I'm looking down the line, with you by my side I'll be fine. To earth, it's just as good